In the following sentences, note the position of the direct object in relation to the two verbs
買
and
予
A.
咱钱买予啥物人？咱买钱予啥物人？
B.
我25箍买予你。我买25箍予你。我25箍无买予人。我无买25箍予人。
Note, do not say
咱买予你。咱无买予恁。
since
咱
includes the person spoken to. C.
你买偌济钱予因？你偌济钱买予因？钱你买偌济予因？